In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly log into your Zoho Mail account. Whether you're checking your emails for work, personal use, or just to stay connected, Zoho Mail offers a user-friendly platform to help you manage your communications seamlessly. So, let's get started. To begin with, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you feel comfortable using. Once your browser is open, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Mail website. This is as simple as typing https://mail.zoho.com in the address bar at the top of your browser window and pressing Enter. This will direct you straight to the Zoho Mail homepage, where we'll proceed with logging in. Now that you're on the Zoho Mail homepage, you'll notice several options, but what we're interested in today is the Login button. It's usually prominently displayed, so go ahead and give it a click. Clicking this button will take you to a new screen where you'll be prompted to enter your login information. Here's where you'll enter your Zoho email address. Make sure you type it in carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from accessing your account. Your email address should look something like your name at zoho.com. Once you've entered your email, the next step is to carefully type in your password. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive and need to match what you initially set, so double-check to ensure every character and case is correct. After you've entered both your email address and password, find the Sign In button on the screen. Clicking this will submit your login information, and all being correct, take you straight into your Zoho Mail inbox. And just like that, you're in. Now you have full access to your Zoho Mail inbox and can start checking or sending emails as you need. A quick tip: if you're logging in from a personal device, you might consider allowing your browser to save your login information. This will make logging in quicker in the future. However, if you're on a public or shared device, it's best to decline this option for security reasons. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily access your Zoho Mail inbox from wherever you are. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next Zoho Mail login experience even smoother. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. Have a great day, and happy